Hey everybody, Mr. Stewart here, and welcome to this video, a short video that's meant to describe how you can log into your very own OneNote Classroom Notebook. Okay, so this is an exciting opportunity for us to continue engaging in making assessment more of a process that's done with you as opposed to you. Okay, so a great opportunity for you to receive feedback in a new and novel way, which I think, and I hope that you find, further supports your learning, not just in math, but in learning in general. So what we'll do is, I'm just going to leap off of this particular website here. This is our course website, and go into email. So what you'll do is when you log on, go into your student email, and you should see something there from me sent last night there in your inbox this morning. So it starts out as such. So there is an email link here just below, and just have a click on that. And we'll wait momentarily here and see if that link's going to open. Here we go. So Internet Explorer should open up for you. Okay, slowly, here we go. Okay, now you might get a prompt to log into Office 365. Maybe not if you've already signed in to get at your school email. I'll have to go through this step here. So it should take you directly to the online version of OneNote. Okay, now the great thing about the online version is the fact, let's try this again, is the fact that anything you do today, that is anytime you do any work in OneNote online, that material is synced and saved to the cloud. Okay, so you'll be able to access that information anytime on any device. And what we'll try to do moving forward is to make it that much more easier and efficient for you, is to have your mobile device, have it using the OneNote app, and it will give you access to your notebook. So here we are in the class notebook, and you should get this as an opening page. We've already watched a quick introductory video, but if you need any further support at any time, there's a lot of information here under OneNote for students. So in terms of training, so if I click here, there's a getting started, tips for getting the most out of OneNote, and a lot of different things here. Here's one here, collaborating in the classroom. That's one that we would have watched just this morning in class. So now that you're here, if you take a look at the left-hand toolbar, you're going to notice there is a collaboration center. So that will end up being eventually a space where we and or you in a group could possibly do some work together on a shared file. Okay. The content library, very quickly here, guys, what this is all about is you'll notice that once in a while I will place materials into this like a filing cabinet. And what you would do is you would then go into, let's say, for instance, the assignment folder, and you could then see here assignment number 1. All the details are here, and you would simply copy and paste the information into your very own notebook. Okay, so being that this is my teacher version, I can see I have my class list here on the left hand side. So if I just click on any student here, so we'll head on down here, grab James' name, and what that should do is take me into James's folder. Okay, so currently every student's folder has been constructed in the same manner. Okay, just to get things going. So you can see James, and like everybody else, has the same 3 tabs. So assignments, assessment, and handouts and notes. Now you can customize these any way you like by adding in tabs and adding in pages. So much like your own physical notebook, it's just a digital notebook that you can take anywhere with you. Okay, great thing about it is we're actually going to save on photocopying costs, and lugging binders, etc. around. So hopefully this works for everybody. It's a nice opportunity, and we'll give it a shot and see how it goes this unit. So under assignments is where we are now. So now James can go in and he can read about the expectations. He can look at the first problem, and looks like he needs to figure out, what do we have here, the mean of a data set. So he can simply click in here and start editing the document and begin his work on calculating the mean. Okay, I should put an opening bracket in here as I'm going to be doing some division after that. There we go. So you get the idea, right? And then once he's done, I can then go in and have access to this because it's in the cloud, and then I can start recording comments or writing comments, marking things up, and then James can check back in at any time, and he'd see if I've put any details in there on his assignment. Okay, so it'll be a good way for us to go back and forth to make sure you're learning as much as possible. Okay, so that's really OneNote in a nutshell. There's certainly more details and a lot more to it, but I think the more time you spend with it, the more powerful you'll find it as a learning tool. Okay, so best wishes on your assignment today, and let's see how things go.